हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू अनदर फ्रेश एपिसोड ऑफ योर फेवरेट शो, जहां पे हम बात करते हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेक की, और इसीलिए इसका नाम है टेक विद टीजी। दिस इज दैट शो जहां पे वी ब्रेक डाउन ऑल द कॉम्प्लेक्स टेक जार्गन्स, जहां पे आप टेक को थोड़ा सा और बेटर समझ पाते हैं। वी गो बिहाइंड द सीन्स टू लर्न मोर अबाउट हाउ द सिंपलेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स फंक्शन। एंड आज की डेट पे एक चीज जो बहुत सिंपल है, इट इज ऑल अराउंड अस, and sometimes we don't even realize that how they work. For example, your Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth in your car or remote control or maybe your game console ka controller. Everything is connecting wirelessly. There is some magic happening right in front of us through thin air. अब आखिर what is the science of these wireless connections? What all protocols are being used in these wireless connections? आज के एपिसोड में I'm gonna break it down exactly that for you, so that the connection that we have gets even more seamless and you are pretty much aware कि how exactly that connection is happening between your phone and your TV and your microwave and your Wi-Fi router, so on and so forth. बहुत मजा आने वाला है। तो गाइज, मेरा नाम है गौरव AKA TG। जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। देखिए, आज के जमाने में वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी तो हर जगह पे है, बट द बिग क्वेश्चन इज कि आखिर ये वाईफाई, ब्लूटूथ, जिगबी, ये सब चीजें क्या हैं और ये काम कैसे करती हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, क्या नया है इन वाईफाई 7 या ब्लूटूथ 5.4 या मैटर जैसे कनेक्शन प्रोटोकॉल्स में। तो फर्स्ट लेट्स मूव अहेड एंड लर्न मोर। थोड़ा सा हम जानते हैं कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज अ वायरलेस प्रोटोकॉल। जो वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल है, ये एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है, बोलूंगा एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो इनेबल करता है कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन टू ऑफ योर डिवाइसेस विदाउट द नीड ऑफ एनी फिजिकल केबल। मतलब यहां पे सारा काम होता है वायरलेसली, बट बिकॉज देर आर वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ डिवाइसेस एंड वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ यूज के सिनेरियोज, हमारे पास में जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं ये भी बहुत ज्यादा अलग अलग तरह की होती हैं। Every protocol comes with a specific use case and along with some pros and cons, or I would say limitations. तो अभी जानते हैं कि जो latest wireless protocols हैं वो कौन से हैं और उनके क्या-क्या uses हैं।
वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल्स डिवाइसेस को बिना किसी फिजिकल कनेक्शन के डेटा एक्सचेंज करने का ऑप्शन देते हैं। These protocols vary based on factors such as range, speed, power consumption, and intended use. Wi-Fi एक widely used wireless communication protocol है जो devices को इंटरनेट और local network से connect करने देता है। It follows the IEEE 802.11 standard and offers high-speed data transfer, reaching up to several gigabits per second. Wi-Fi का रेंज 30 से 100 मीटर्स के बीच में होता है, जो इसे घर, ऑफिस और पब्लिक नेटवर्क्स के लिए आइडियल बनाता है। ब्लूटूथ एक शॉर्ट रेंज वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी है जो डिवाइसेस के बीच डेटा एक्सचेंज के लिए यूज होती है। It operates under the IEEE 802.15.1 standard and has a range of approximately 10 to 100 meters depending on the device class. Bluetooth Classic की स्पीड मैक्सिमम 3 Mbps होती है, जबकि Bluetooth Low Energy और BLE लो पावर कंजम्पशन के लिए ऑप्टिमाइज्ड है। It is commonly used for wireless peripherals, audio devices, file transfers, and Internet of Things or IoT applications. Zigbee एक लो पावर वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल है जो IEEE 802.15.4 स्टैंडर्ड पर बेस्ड है। It offers a range of about 10 to 100 meters and supports data rates up to 250 kbps. Zigbee का यूज ज्यादातर होम ऑटोमेशन, इंडस्ट्रियल IoT और स्मार्ट एनर्जी एप्लीकेशंस के लिए होता है। Due to its efficient power consumption and mesh networking capabilities, it is ideal for such applications. Z-Wave Z-Wave एक और लो पावर वायरलेस प्रोटोकॉल है जो मेनली होम ऑटोमेशन और सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम्स के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है. Unlike Zigbee, it operates on a proprietary standard managed by the Z-Wave Alliance. इसका रेंज 30 से 100 मीटर्स तक होता है और डेटा ट्रांसफर स्पीड्स मैक्सिमम 100 kbps तक जा सकती हैं. Z-Wave is commonly used in smart home devices such as lighting controls, thermostats, and security systems. NFC NFC एक शॉर्ट रेंज वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी है जो सिक्योर और कॉन्टैक्टलेस डेटा एक्सचेंज के लिए यूज होती है. It operates at a range of about 4 to 10 centimeters. NFC की मैक्सिमम स्पीड 424 kbps होती है और इसका यूज कॉन्टैक्टलेस पेमेंट्स, एक्सेस कंट्रोल और डेटा ट्रांसफर में होता है. LoRa यानी लॉन्ग रेंज कम्युनिकेशन एक लो पावर लॉन्ग रेंज वायरलेस प्रोटोकॉल है जो मेनली IoT एप्लीकेशंस के लिए यूज होता है. It follows the LoRaWAN standard and can transmit data over distances of up to 15 kilometers in urban areas and 50 kilometers in rural settings. इसका डेटा रेट मैक्सिमम 50 kbps तक होता है और इसका यूज स्मार्ट एग्रीकल्चर, रिमोट मॉनिटरिंग और एसेट ट्रैकिंग के लिए किया जाता है. 4G और 5G सेल्यूलर नेटवर्क्स 4G और 5G जैसे सेल्यूलर नेटवर्क्स लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस वायरलेस कनेक्टिविटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. 4G नेटवर्क्स ऑफर स्पीड्स ऑफ अप टू 100 Mbps, while 5G can reach speeds of up to 10 Gbps, enabling ultra-fast data transfer. ये नेटवर्क्स मेनली मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशंस, ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्टिविटी और IoT एप्लीकेशंस के लिए यूज होते हैं. हर वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल का एक स्पेसिफिक पर्पस होता है जिसमें स्पीड, रेंज और पावर कंजम्पशन का बैलेंस मेंटेन किया जाता है.
Now see, now that we are aware of all these protocols, but it's not ending here because break के बाद हम जानेंगे what is the future of these connections and how exactly the devices are evolving all around us just to make this world a smarter one. सब कुछ बात करेंगे right after this short break. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द एपिसोड. यू आर वाचिंग टेक विद टीजी. मेरा नाम है गौरव एंड टुडे वी आर एस्टैब्लिशिंग सम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन बिकॉज द आइडिया इज टू टॉक अबाउट वायरलेस प्रोटोकॉल्स. अब सी ब्रेक से पहले हमने जाना कि वायरलेस प्रोटोकॉल क्या होती हैं, कितनी अलग अलग टाइप्स की होती हैं. जब आप एक नया डिवाइस परचेज करते हैं, व्हाट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू लुक एट, बट आई थिंक नाउ इट्स टाइम दैट वी लुक एट द फ्यूचर. लेट्स टॉक टू एन एक्सपर्ट जहां पे हम जानते हैं व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज the future of all these connection protocols and the kind of world that we are moving into. काफी मजा आएगा. So much of knowledge for you. Let's go and have this conversation.
Thank you for having me. Very thrilled to be here. I'm Chirayu Pandya, category head for Logitech India. The world is going completely wireless, isn't it? If we rewind to the early days of the PC revolution, everything was wired, networking, peripherals, devices, and a lot of stuff. And then came Wi-Fi, ushering the wireless era. So if I look at the future of wireless protocols, the future is going to be focused on enhancing speed, power efficiency, and the most important is going to be security. As more and more devices get connected to the internet. Earlier, if you look at 5 years down the line, it was only a PC, your mobile phone or your tablet. These are the 3 devices which you get connected to the internet. Today, we have a plethora of devices. All of your home devices are getting connected to the internet, and there's a lot of traffic building up on the internet. And that is going to take a lot of changes in the wireless protocols going forward to be more efficient. So what I feel are the four technologies which are going to define the future of wireless protocol. The first one is Wi-Fi 7, and we've been hearing a lot about it. I've been reading a lot of stuff on Wi-Fi 7, and that's going to be leap forward. It's going to offer multi-gigabit speeds, low latency, and improved efficiency on high performance applications. So great news for people who use a lot of internet, do a lot of streaming, and Wi-Fi 7 is going to be a giant leap forward. Secondly, a very important one, Bluetooth 5.4. And every iteration of Bluetooth enhances data transfer speeds, and security, especially with IoT coming in and Bluetooth being a de facto standard for connectivity for IoT. This is really going to be a great new innovation coming our way. The third one, I believe, is ultra-wideband, which provides precise location tracking, secure short-range communication, and very useful for smart devices and automotive applications. So that's something to look forward to. The last one is going to be Logic Bolt, and we look at the macro side of things, where you look at the internet, the Wi-Fi. But when you look at the micro side of things, and as I said, more and more devices get connected, you look at security, which is going to be very important. And when you look at products and peripherals like keyboard and mice, we generally take them for granted. And when you look at connecting these devices, you enter a lot of confidential information through these devices, like your bank passwords, your security application. A lot of stuff gets entered through these products. Now imagine these keystrokes getting hacked, and that's going to be a nightmare for a user, especially if you're an enterprise user. And Logic Bolt is a solution which really enhances security and ensures a secure connection between your devices for enterprise. So that's they are the four trends I believe are going to drive the future protocols. So as I said, future developments will likely focus on interoperability, low power consumption, and improved security to support an increasingly connected world. So today, when you look at devices and operating system, we have multiple operating systems. When you look at the PC side of things, we have Mac OS, we have Windows, we have Linux, and then we have the Chrome OS. And even in the mobile space, we have Android, we have iOS. And when you talk about devices to connect with those main devices, it needs to be operating system agnostic. And if you look at Logitech as such, all our devices, wireless devices, Bluetooth-based, board-based devices are OS agnostic. It's compatible with most of the operating systems, which I just named, which are available. And that's how the future devices need to be made, because with the plethora of operating system options available to the user, you need devices which are OS agnostic. And I think industry is moving in that direction, where devices which are being created, all the human interface devices, all the peripherals which are being designed are OS agnostic, and users have the freedom to connect to whatever operating system the device is on. And I think that's the way forward for the industry going forward. So the future definitely is wireless. As I said, from wired to transition to wireless, and secure wireless is what I feel is going to be the future for devices, connectivity. Obviously, as more and more new technologies come in, the protocols change. But what needs to be done is more and more devices, the advent of IoT coming into space where you have a lot of new devices connecting to the internet, the traffic going up. You always need better protocols to handle this traffic. And the most important part of it, so much data coming into the picture and the frame, you need security above all that. And I believe a lot of companies are working on that part. The government is very agile and looking at security as a very important aspect today. And cybersecurity is going to be the big area where we see developments coming in. We'll see laws coming in for cybersecurity. We'll see a lot of protocols focused at security. And the companies like Logitech, we are already working on security at the hardware level, at the software level, and there'll be so much stuff happening around that area. So I feel the future is going to be exciting, and we'll have to see where we all end up. But overall, as a brand, as Logitech, we're committed to user security and creating some great experiences for our users who use our products. Thank you.
Friends, I'm sure it's been so exciting for you to learn about all these connection protocols. And I think एक चीज जिसको हम appreciate कर सकते हैं वो ये कि how our gadgets or the technology used in these gadgets it's evolved over the years. मतलब आज की डेट में the idea for these wireless connections is just to make our lives even more convenient. फिर चाहे वो Wi-Fi हो या Bluetooth, मतलब एक ज़माने में we used infrared as well to transfer data between two compatible devices. या इनफैक्ट जो मॉडर्न डे प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं लाइक मैटर या थ्रेड्स, जिग्बी की अगर हम बात कर लें, सो द आइडिया इज टू हैव अ स्टेबल, रिलायबल एंड फास्ट कनेक्शन बिटवीन two of our gadgets or maybe multiple of our gadgets. वैसे आप बताइए what's your favorite one या which one do you think is the most useful and critical in today's time and age? You know the email address, it's tg@interview.com. लिख डालिए आपके मन की सारी बातें, any appreciation, any question, any feedback, whatever you might have, you know the address. I mean, it remains the same for everything that you might have. मैं आपसे मिलूंगा अगले एपिसोड में with some more tech, some more insightful stuff while we discuss tech. अभी के लिए इतना ही. Take care and have a good day.